Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the language in Menace. Let's begin by opening the settings menu, then navigate to the general settings. Here at the top you can change the text language. You can choose from one of the available languages. The language switches instantly, so you don't need to worry about restarting the game. Of course, once you are done, hit the X button and back, or simply just hit back, and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.